Hi friend, I'm Sam. Today I will show you Giuseppe Zanotti low top shoes. Okay, let's begin. First, I bought it from bbexpress.com and it's shipped by DHL free shipping. And this is the shopping bag, GZ brand shopping bag logo. Okay, this is the box. The package is a good package, so it's not damaged. One recipe. It doesn't matter, and one dust bag have GZ logo. Every shoes paper all have Giuseppe Zanotti logo paper. The shoes have two white dust bag. Let's get the shoes out. When you get out the shoes, you will smell a little good smells. Yes. The sole made by top quality, so it have good smell. Only little good smell, not very big. Okay, let me show you the shoes detail. It's not real crocodile skin. Just use core leather, replica as crocodile skin. So it's the junior leather, core junior leather. The detail upon the crocodile skin clear. The zipper shining. The metal so clear and shining. Metal rod. Use top quality metal material. You can see, and this is the sole, made in Italy. The low top. The insole have GZ logo. Look, let me turn the light. Can you see that? The material is soft, especially here place. It's so soft. And whole shoes made by junior leather. Very good quality, low top. So another one. Okay, if you want to know more other information, please contact me by WhatsApp. Thank you.